Hey guys, so I'm here with Andy Bergeron, my little guy, and we are at the rest area, and here comes Harvey right now coming in. So we got a lot of stuff here, guys, to do the swap. So I'm gonna let you go and say hi to Harvey. And yeah, we got a plethora of stuff. Look at that, huh? It's gonna be a good trade, guys, good trade. Hey guys, I'm here with Harvey Spooner. Say hi, Harvey. And we are going to unload all this. This is that, what do you call it, the RM I told you guys about. And there's one of the Hondas right there. And the second one right there. So this is going to be a cool, fun project. And this is his, you got your son's Raz?
Yeah.
So this is a Yamaha Raz right here. And what is the story behind this one?
No, he bought it and he perfected his mechanic skills on it, so it's completely screwed up. And basically its problem is it's got like almost nothing for compression.
Yeah, it looks like it has dirt ingestion right there. It looks like, because if you run these two strokes without an air filter assembly, it creates a lean condition and burns up the motor.
Well, he went further than that. He lost the air filter assembly.
Okay.
And that's probably what it died of. Because I think he ran it without it quite a bit.
Oh yeah, that's not good. You can't do that with these. What happens is, like I said, it creates a lean condition. And see all this dirt right here? That creates dirt ingestion, and it ruins the intake side of the piston.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find this fairly toasted. I mean, if it's fixable, it's fixable. If it's not, you know, such is life. I figured I'd give it to the expert.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. All right, cool. Well, we'll get crack-a-lacking. All loaded up just before the rain. Got the Raz, the two bikes, the RM, plenty of room. Wow, look at that, huh? We'll go in and get some lunch and then venture on back home. We are going to have some fun building some bikes, guys. Here is that rain. And there goes Harvey Spooner, everybody. Bye, stuff. Bye, Katie. So how long do you think it's going to be before he gets pulled over, huh? There you go. Look at that. Little Harvey Spooner. Awesome. Well, I'm going to go in and get something to eat. We are at the McDonald's, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, we're in the truck, and we are headed back. Let's go home, Andy.
Yeah.
We had our McDonald's, and we're heading home. See you guys later. All right, and we are almost home. Thank goodness heavens to Megatroids, right? Yeah. Little guy's passed out next to me, and we are cruising, baby. All right, let me shut those wipers off in a second here. All right, guys, when we get home, we'll unload this thing after the rain stops and take a look and see what we got. All right. We got home okay, nice and safe. This is the RM250. Pretty cool. The throttle. It's got a cool carburetor on it too, huh? Look at that thing. Flat slide carburetor. Know nothing about it, so we're gonna have to get into that. They custom made an airbox. Yeah, a lot of stuff. This is Harvey Spooner's son's bike. It's a Yamaha Raz 50cc, and we believe that the engine is burnt up in it. It was ran without an air filter. So you can see right first look, you can see the dirt in the carburetor, dirt ingestion, and so most likely when we tear this thing apart, we're going to see the intake side of the piston all torn up. So that is a big fat no. Never ride a bike without an air filter assembly. And then here is the purple Honda 50. You can see that one right there. These are in rough shape. These have been sitting in the shed for 30 plus years. When Harvey got these, they were not running, and coincidentally, I think they were not running prior, like years prior to him getting them. So we're gonna have to go ahead and get this one going. Not just this one. I have a subscriber gave me an engine, and we're gonna put that engine on that bike. But if you look in the front there, we have a little bit of welding to do on the frame. You can see that piece right there, the air. That air stops the handlebars from folding around. That little piece right there hanging down. So we're gonna have to have that welded back up, but not a big deal. At least we have it. And we're gonna go through them. So the first step we're gonna do on that one right there is that is not the correct color for the frame, and we're gonna have to strip this entire bike down and get that frame into the sandblaster frame, paint it, and start at that point. But first, of course, we have to have the engine running prior to that. So we're gonna go through these engines and get both of them running, and then after this one's running, we're gonna rub the flywheel off and get the other one going. So we have a lot of work to do. So anyway, guys, I just figured I'd do a first look. There was a whole bunch of parts for the RM. The RM, we're not really not sure what we're going to do with yet. This is probably going to become a parts machine, this RM 250, or I don't know. We'll see. Someone took the time to do some bolts, so I don't know. We'll figure it out. 2 spark plugs, custom cut head. Yeah, look at this thing's got some stuff to it. So it looks like they cut the frame in the back, and yeah, this thing is just all jerry rigged up. So we'll see what we can do. Maybe part it out, maybe use it, maybe build something else out of it. We don't know. So anyway, guys, I want to say thank you guys for hanging on this adventure. This is a first look at the stuff that we got from Harvey Spooner, and wait till you see the video of some of the stuff. Yeah, you get the cylinder in there. Don't worry about the water that's on them. It'll be blowing off. Silencer, all kinds of goodies. So yeah, so when did you see well, you guys saw his load that he left with. It's quite a bit of stuff. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me and going on this awesome adventure with me, and I will talk to you guys later. I'm out.